Hi guys, I'm back again with a new video. My name is Johan, and in this video we'll discuss one of the reasons of the movement in the market, why all the bullishness on the Bitcoin and in the cryptocurrency as well. But first let's see how the market have moved today. We are seeing Bitcoin almost reaching 13,000, 7.7% in the past 24 hours. As I have told you in my previous video yesterday, Bitcoin has a very bullish pattern. I've told you we need to consolidate around 12,400, and we did that. Now we are heading rapidly to 13,000. We will see if Bitcoin will keep this rising, and it seems Ethereum started to follow Bitcoin too, 7.1%. We are seeing XRP 3.3%, Bitcoin Cash 7.7%, and so on. Litecoin is moving very good. Let's see the winners. Reserve right tokens 41.8%, REN 20.5%, Litecoin 13.3%. We are seeing very bullish movement on the markets in the past 24 hours. Let's see, the loser is Filecoin 7.3%. Unfortunately, crypto.com, we will see why crypto.com is going downwards. And the main reason for all this bullish movement in the markets is that PayPal is allowing buying and selling Bitcoin and Ethereum. PayPal is integrating the purchasing and selling of Bitcoin in the coming weeks, as well as Ethereum, Bitcoin Cash, and Litecoin. The option will be available in US at the first, to then expand to other jurisdictions as well as Venmo, its payment app, in the first half of 2021. This is the biggest bullish news in the end of the year. In addition, some 26 million PayPal merchants will be able to accept crypto payments, with the settlement to be made in fiat. Merchants won't have the option to receive actual crypto. The addition is due to the rising popularity of crypto, but also to prepare PayPal for potential integration of the central bank digital currencies. Are working with central banks and thinking of all forms of digital currencies and how PayPal can play a role, said Dan Schulman, PayPal's president and chief executive. So PayPal is coming hard on the cryptocurrencies. The company has partnered with Paxos Trust, a company that facilitates the buying and selling of crypto across the world through integrating with numerous payment methods, including local kiosks. In this partnership, Paxos provides custody and liquidity services to PayPal. PayPal also secured a conditional virtual currency license from NIDFs to the Paxos Trust charter and its full virtual currency licensing. PayPal itself has some 346 million active accounts around the world and processed 222 billion in payments just in the second quarter of 2020. Imagine this, guys. This is a huge step to mass adoption. PayPal is a major player in financial markets, guys, making this one of the biggest integration in the world, which is expected to increase significantly to convenience of buying and selling Bitcoin due to hundreds of millions of ordinary people using PayPal. Because if you ask everybody about PayPal, they know and they have accounts already. So this is a step forward to mass adoption, guys. What the fees they will charge and how much of the rest is currently unknown, but what was once seen as a potential competitor of Bitcoin has now joined it. So guys, this is huge. This is why we are seeing a very bullish move on all major cryptocurrencies. Guys, we are heading to a major bull run. We need to see also the election in the US. We are heading straight to the unknown territory of bull run, guys. This is huge. Yesterday pump wasn't a fluke, and the proof is the volume that accompanied by the price surge. The aggregate Bitcoin volume was around 15 billion, way above the daily average and last seen in late September. The last time it hit this level in August 2020, the price dropped back. However, the third time may be the charm. Hence, Bitcoin hitting this level is itself very bullish, guys. Look at this. Look, this is extremely bullish move. As I've shown you in my previous video last night, we saw Bitcoin successfully surpass 12,100 and is very bullish, moving towards the next target 13,000. We will see together if Bitcoin will succeed to break this resistance or to reach this level tomorrow or at the end of this week. As I've told you in my previous videos at the beginning, I am using krypto-signals signal provider, and I want to show you guys that they have sent a very nice signal since 20 September. They allow this is the way they send the signals. And look, guys, if you enter, then in 20 September they've launched this. You've entered around 10,700. You could have made, guys, look at this, in 22 days and 1 hour and 22 minutes 36% by following this signal, guys. So crypto signal providers are a very useful tool for inexperienced traders that want a guide to help them and give them signals so you can decide for yourself to enter the market, or you can decide if it's a good time to buy. It could be a helpful utility to get yourself on the Telegram channel and try using crypto signals. Very accurate, providing signals for Bitcoin. Look, guys, this is how they are sending the signals. This was published in September 29th September. Look, guys, see, if you enter this signal at 10,756, now you had very nice gains. So this is quite very nice. So this was an example, guys, showing you live how a signal provider work, and usually crypto signals are providing very accurate signals. I've shown you the most recent signal for Bitcoin, and when the bull run starts, you will need a signal provider to help you find the best entries in crypto. So let's see some other news. Central bank digital currencies, CBDC, the first nationwide CBDC in the world, has been launched by the Bahamas. After a successful 2019 pilot on the island conglomeration of Exuma, which reflects the configuration of the Bahamas, the digital B dollar was launched yesterday, according to a tweet from the Central Bank of the Bahamas. The Sun dollar is the first ever national central digital bank currency in the world. As a pilot location, Exuma is a smaller version of the Bahamas. So guys, this is another bullish news, that the first central digital currency has launched, Sun dollar. The total GDP of the Bahamas was around 12,000 billion in 2018. The per capita income is one of the highest in the Americas, with 90% penetration for mobile devices. In short, you could not have asked for a more ideal ground for the release of the world's first CBDC. A relatively well-off scattered population with high mobile penetration. The other twist in the story is that the B dollar is pegged to the USD, so in effect it can be seen as a plot release of the digital US by proxy. The project itself is to create a digital currency ecosystem to support digital payments. The main feature is a digital version of the Bahamian dollar. Additionally, an ecosystem consisting of authorized financial institution AFI was created that provides service to the retail customers. The Sun dollar will not pay interest and cannot be held non-domestically. Hence, pays not domiciled in the Bahamas cannot be directly paid using the Sun dollar. The Sun dollar can be used 24/7, 365 days in disconnected settings and bear very low transaction. Now, this is an important milestone of the development of central bank digital currencies. Afro-Bahamian population with a story of piracy, known as a haven for escaped slaves, but a beacon for financial freedom and economic opportunity today, it is the right setting for release such a revolutionary form of money. With one foot in the sea and one on the land, forward, upward, onward, together, as the motto of the Bahamas states. So guys, this could be a huge step also on the mass adoption of crypto evolution, guys. So the central bank digital currencies are on the way, guys. The PayPal news is extremely bullish for the markets. We will see how the market will behave till the election in US on 3 November. At the end of this video, I want to talk about crypto.com. Crypto.com have held an EMA by the CEO Chris Marzalek, and I will play to you guys the final a summary of this live AMA, and we will try to see the conclusion of this EMA and why the price did not move at all or it's going down.
Well, number one, we grew very quickly this year, and such growth, of course, comes with certain level of maybe not errors, but at some point in time, you just need to consolidate a little bit and look at rebalancing the growth speed with the stability of the platform, with the incentives to make sure that you're building a robust business moving forward. And the way I look at it is we want controlled growth, right? So I think that 3xing the business next year is still very fast, but it's a more controlled environment. So that's how we think about growth moving forward, trying to rebalance it and make sure it's controlled with healthy metrics. Number two, we are probably the best positioned company to benefit from the upcoming Bitcoin-induced bull run. So we're very, very bullish on the business. We've got the team is as strong as ever. We are executing against a very ambitious but achievable roadmap, and we will continue to do so relentlessly. And the third point is that as we go through this growth, where we're going from a startup into a large-scale platform, we will continue communicating very transparently and openly with the community and seek your feedback, and we'll avoid making any rapid changes. So I think those are the major points. There's plenty of our plate. You'll see a lot of releases before the year ends, and even more in Q1. So stay along for the journey. Don't try to equal the price of the token with what the business does, because sometimes it gets ahead of itself, sometimes it's not. We just don't want to comment on these things. Because that's just not what we do. We don't comment on prices. We build products, we release products, we try to do a better job for the customers. And again, we'll probably do one of these AMAs again pretty soon after some of our major planned releases. So thanks a lot for tuning in, and I hope that you found this valuable. Drop us a line. We're keen to hear from you with feedbacks to all our community channels, Twitter, Reddit, or Telegram. Thanks a lot, guys, and I'm going to sign off and probably go and buy some more BTC.
So this is it, guys. The conclusion of the EMA from Chris Marszalek, the CEO of Crypto.com. As you can see, Crypto.com is not doing very well. It lost in the past 7 days 30%, and it's going to the downside. As you all have heard, they want to expand next year and reach 50 million people. We will see if this company will succeed to grow and will regain the popularity that it had in month of August. This is the crop price. Look here, guys. This was a very okay, the 4-hour chart. This was a very big drop, guys. Unfortunately, we have not too much support here. Maybe around here a bit. Let's see. We stopped here, and now a little bit of buyers are stepping in. So the price has started to drop immediately after crypto.com has dropped their the staking reward for the exchange was 20%, and now it has dropped to 10%. But actually the users that had already staked, they still benefit for 20% till the end of that period. So guys, we will see if all the changes that crypto.com have made in the past 2 months in the swap will be good for the company, or this I don't know, uncertainty or this selling pressure will still be around. But I've noticed I am participating on the last event of Syndicate was still very oversubscribed. So I've noticed on this last event was 37.7x oversubscribed. So it is something like 138.22 API, 3,768 user contributed to this syndicate event that had ended. So it seems still a lot of people are participating in the syndicate in spite of the big decrease of the price. It seems this EMA did not help too much the price to recover, but we will see together if in this next bull run things will recover for crypto.com also. I am a user of this platform. I use their services and I am satisfied with their products. But as a simple user, I need to find better APY for my crypto assets. I will see if the price will go better in the future, and I guess, as Chris said, if we believe in one company, we will stay with that company even if the price is going down, because they are not like leaving. They are having EMAs, they are publishing and bringing new stuffs around, so they are having 5 million customers. So at the end, this is one of the biggest companies with crypto debit cards in the crypto space. So guys, this was my video for today. We are having a very bullish night, very bullish period. We will see how things will progress together. I hope you like my videos, guys. I wish you a very nice day, and please give a thumbs up or a thumbs down and leave a comment below if you like my videos. See you guys in another video. Bye.